At any point that you feel like your applicator cloth is starting to run a little bit dry, which it can, go ahead and just add a little bit more. But again, we're not putting this on overly heavy. This is just a nice even coat. So I'm going to get this front section that I can get with this big cloth before I dig in with the foam. A second ago, I said I'd probably divide this up in half. I'm probably going to do the front, the way this is going a little bit faster than I thought it might. I'm probably going to do the front, and then I'm going to do the back. So I'm just going to work my way through all of these sections. I've got this metal pipe here at the bottom that I have a hard time getting around with the cloth. Okay, so as you can see, it's coming together nicely. Just make sure to get all of my surfaces. I'm going to work my way down. All right, so I'm going to work my way around. I'm going to get the foam applicator to get into the nooks and crannies, especially here across the back. That is not going to be good for the cloth. I just can't get in there with this cloth or with my fingers. So work your way down the caliper, keep applying a little bit of product, put on a nice even coat, and then when it flashes and it's ready, I'll show you how to buff it off. All right, so all done. I gave it about 6 minutes, 5-6 minutes total. Might be a minute or two too much. But all in all, it'll be all right. So then just take a clean microfiber towel. Don't use the same one that you used with the erasure, right? Don't mix up your towels because you don't want to get any additional chemicals or anything in here for the ceramic coat that's curing.